Hello and welcome to another basics video where today we're going to be learning how to be rotating our assembly. And we can rotate parts or the entire assembly. So we just need to select what we're actually going to be rotating first. So you'll see what the part you're rotating will actually be highlighted red. Press on the rotate button. So now you're going to be giving it a set of coordinates showing how it's going to be rotating relative to the X, Y, and Z plane. So each one of those numbers is the rotation in degrees, 0 degrees, 0 degrees, and 90 degrees in the Z plane. You can also, from the drop-down menu, decide whether you actually just want to move the assembly you've selected or if you want to duplicate it. And if you do select duplicate, how many copies you would like to make. So go on ahead and just press duplicate and duplicate it 3 times. Press the OK button to execute the rotation. And you'll see you now have 3 individual copies that have been rotated about the Z-axis. If you want to know how to maintain symmetry in your structure or what will be retained when you duplicate, please read the text box being showed to you right now for further details. Have a great day.